Hello everyone, today I'll be bringing you a review of the Vanzavanzu BMW Key Fob cover. I wanted to pick up an additional cover for my BMW key to differentiate my spare key from my main key. Sometimes I grab one, and then with BMW, you have each key is programmed differently for your car. So if you have different presets, you can have certain presets on one key and they're a little different on the other key. So there's been times when I grab my spare key by accident, I put it in the same spot, and my presets, my radio presets and everything were different in my car. So I just wanted to grab something to differentiate the two. So I ended up grabbing this Vanzavanzu BMW Key Fob cover. All right, so in the packaging, you get this instruction booklet here, which tells you, gives you a link to an installation video, and also gives you step-by-step instructions there. And then you also get these two little baggies here, which these baggies kind of remind me of small Crown, like a small Crown Royal bag. For any of those that are maybe drinkers, the Crown Royals always give you their drinks in the bag. So this is what that kind of reminds me of, little velvet bags here. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside these. So we open that up there. Looks like we have the blue BMW Key Fob cover. This looks like a backing. Lay those right there. And then let's see what's in here. Looks like we got looks like a keychain holder there. So, okay, simple enough. So, looking at the instruction booklet here, looks like they want you to open. Okay, so I guess you slide it on, and then you can open. Then you open this to get it on there. Okay, I don't think I'll need that. I think I can figure this out without an instruction booklet. So, here's my key fob here. Looks like I should be able to just pop this on. So let's do that. Go the other way. Okay, so it looks like this is what they call one of their soft shell cases. So soft TPU case, or skin sleeve, whatever you want to call it. So, man, trying to get this thing on here. Let's do one side at a time. There it goes. Okay, a lot easier to do one side at a time. And then we got this back plate here. Kind of goes. So let's do the same thing. One side at a time. All right, you can kind of hear it click there. Let you know it's in place. All right, so everything's in place. First impressions, it's definitely a shiny case here. It's got a soft feel to it. Your main lock button is still there. You still have that button. Unlock trunk button there. So everything's still accessible. So doesn't look that bad. So it gives you that blue, kind of matches the BMW blue with the black lining on the outside. So we'll put that there. And now let's focus on this part. So it stated that you need I came prepared. Flathead. So looks like you take this screw out. Do you take it all the way out? All right. So it looks like it's out. Okay. So that rotates. Then you just slide that in there. All right. Yeah. You just slide that back over. As you can see here, it's not. I gotta pull this back down. Oh, okay. So okay. Yeah, so I can get some. You gotta kind of pull it. It's kind of spring. Okay, so it's got a little spring on the inside. So you just kind of pull it this way, and then you can get that back on top. Okay. So now that it's in there, we'll put this screw back where it was. Finger tighten first. Now let's go with the flat. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so now we are in business. This key holder at the edge here, I guess you can put, attach your other keys to it or any other attachments. It's definitely well built. Just pulling on it, here, I don't think I could break it easily. Definitely well built. So there you have it. That's how it looks. I will say though, if you do use your key a lot to lock your glove box, this may not be the most convenient key, because in order to lock your glove box, you got to pull this, and I'll show you with my other key here. So look at this key here. Let's move these baggies out of the way. So if you look at the regular stock key, which this is right here, you push this button here to access, and this right here locks your glove box. At least it does on the on my car. Different versions of BMWs, it may do something else. It may lock something else, but this right here locks the glove box. I think on the 5 Series, it locks the your armrest opener. So different versions of BMWs, it may do different things. So if you use this key a lot, you won't be able to access it with this case on, unfortunately, because this cover is kind of all that, and then you have to go through unscrewing this and taking this plastic cover off to get to it. So if you use that a lot, this probably might not be the best case for you, but if you don't, hey, this isn't bad. For the price of $18.99, and it's Prime item, so you can use your Prime shipping or Prime Day, however you want to do that. It's not bad. So there you have it. This is the Vanzavanzu BMW Key Fob cover. Thank you for your time today. Have a good one. Peace.